Sometimes projects are spec'd out, but the client orders and pays for the items themselves. Often in those cases, though, the designer needs to track those items because they fit in with the overall project. So you can track items that are not on purchase orders in DesignerLogic. It's very easy. When you go up to Edit Add and create a new item, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see this option right here where it says track item, check even if not on a purchase order. That means that even if the item is not on a PO, it will throw it into the tracking system like every other item. So you can put ship dates and installation dates and locations and status and things like that for that item. That's all you need to do is just check this little box right here. Now you can also do this from the item detail page. For example, if we go to the detail page for this item and we go up to edit add and we actually choose edit, on the edit form for this item, if we scroll down, you will see the same option to track this even if it's not on a purchase order. Now if you're going to have it on a purchase order, just leave it as it is to only track it if it's on a purchase order. Only check this box if it's not going to be on a purchase order and you want to track it. And once you do that, that item will show up in your overall tracking list like every other item.